Row, row, row your boat, as told and illustrated by Iza Trapini. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat, happy as can be. Sunshine glowing off and rowing with your family. Row, row, row your boat, stroke and follow through. Fumbling, flailing, oars go sailing, what a clumsy crew. Row, row, row your boat, row with all your might. Rocking, bashing, water splashing, better hold on tight. Row, row, row your boat, look ahead to find beavers damming, logging, jamming, left you in a bind. Row, row, row your boat, stop to have a munch. Chomping, snacking, slurping, smacking, what a noisy bunch. Row, row, row your boat, better row to shore. Raining, hailing, wind is wailing, hear the thunder roar. Row, row, row your boat, find a place that's dry. Scurry, scuttle, hide and huddle till the storms blow by. Row, row, row your boat, and away you'll go. Skies are clearing, sunset nearing, homeward bound you row. The end. Have a great day. Bye.